Sasol. Pasa kay Chichong. Chichong hatag kay Taliboy. Lugod, rebound kay Letranya. Letranya, hatag kay Marcelo. Riley in the lane, good.
Ulo gamay ba? Nakita yung ulo. Ha? Ulo. Siapa gamay ba? Ulo.
Reggie. Dribble. Pasa kay Taliboy, hatag gawas kay Sasol. Sasol, duplit the ball. Fight to shoot. Chichong. Good. Offensive rebound by Lasco. Lasco for three.
Ako kaya.
Oh, turnover by Chichong. Hatag difference Uncle Rock for two. Score 6-0. Linden, dribbling the ball. Hatag kay Chichong. Chichong dribbling. It's a miss. No good. Rebound by Uncle Rock. Shoot, dribbling the ball. Two driving, pasa kay Mercado. Wow, what a pass. No good. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by Chichong. Linden. No good. Ada dua rebound by Uncle Rock. Oi, steal by Linden. Linden, drop. Good. Eight minutes remaining in the ball game. Mukanya for three, no good. Rebound by Reggie. Reggie driving the lane, pasa kay Linden. Balik kay Reggie, pull up cover, no good. Mukanya with the rebound.
Tuhan ba ka bola ba?
Mercado, hatag kay Shu. Makati siya ulap jumper.
Ah, pinaburding man.
Mula mo si Vinicius.
Grabe ang cool rap ko.
Score 8-2. Richie for three. No good. Rebound by. Oh, grabe rito siyang kulrapo. Right pass, na blinded. Turnover. Chichong. Pasa kay Linden. Off. Foul by Uncle Rock. Two free throws para kay Linden Chichong. Remaining 6 minutes, 49 seconds. First throw, no good. Second free throw. No good. Two, winning the ball. Two, nice pass to Mercado. Foul by Reggie.
Tumak na kayo eh.
Six minutes, 30 seconds. Free throw by Mercado. Basket count. Second throw by Mercado. Good.
Matak na lang kay Ringa. Matak na lang. Matak kay Ringa.
Suson. Pasa kay Richie for 3. No good. Rebound by defensive rebound by Chichong. Nice block by Sunny Boy. 2 points. Turnover by the team medal.
Wala ang book.
Legit, beautiful.
Wow.
Grabe yung move. Nakuhaan na to.
Oh, pwede na malingkod.
Pwede na balik-balik.
10-6.
Two, dribbling the ball. Two. Grabbing the lane, pasa kay Masadon.
Stepping on the line.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Oh.
Kupito.
Hindit mo. Makala.
Darwin, Uncle Darwin, another Uncle. Nice pass. Rebound by Cañete, dribbling the ball. Dita Kapsan, hatak kay Dagoy. Pass to Marzano. Oh my gosh.
Balik sila lang yun.
Ha?
Balik. Patiwasan lang, patiwasan bro.
Agad, pull up jumper, no good. Time out.
Masa na? Kuha
No good. Dania with the rebound. Ang boys, spin move. Short.
Nice, come on!
For 3, Lupanyan. Darwin, nice pass. To Rico. Inaliwa. No good. Rebound by Satsulis.
Ini ako idol.
Pasa kay Angkol.
Masa man sa uwan.
Dania for 3 again. No good. Foul by Darwin. Hatag kay Magad pasang Christian. Team drop. 2 points.
Ha? Awalo nang dilek.
2:40 remaining in the ball game. First quarter. 2:40.
Sige rin na doon.
Maghinay na. Maghinay.
Maghinay mo din eh, maghinay.
Oh, maghinay.
Time out. Team Neta.
Indog, nagkato mo.
Damboy, Peter, offensive rebound by Dueñas. Dueñas for 2. Darwin, pasa kay Magad, big shot, wala. Damboy with rebound. 2 minutes. Following violation by Damboy. Tres. No good. Rebound, another rebound by Lutrania. Dropping defense. Hook. committed by Sansolis. Second personal foul, Sansolis.
Wala na ito. Sika sa topic.
1:20 remaining, first quarter. Rest by Maghinay, no good. Offensive rebound. Duenas, pitik. Foul para sa Team Fire. Duenas, free throw line. Short. Second throw. No good.
Saan na nagkuhan ba?
1 minute remaining. Same ball. Pull-up jumper by Maaga, no good. Rebound by Cañete. Pasa ang bola, nakuha ni Mahinay. Maghinay. And one. Blocking foul, number
Wala to, wala. Diba?
Piles ko
Dr.
no?
Bogi.
16, 12.
14 seconds.
Size 12.
Maghinay for 3. No good. Rebound by Cañete. Cañete hatag kay Lucrania. Open jump. Wala. Rebound by Dangoy. Offensive rebound by Dangoy. No good yapon. Rebound by Rico. 20 seconds. Foul by
16, 12.
Foul by Cañete. Darwin plus 1. Second personal foul, Cañete. Last throw by Darwin. No good. Rebound by Doñas. 20 seconds. 15. Cañete pull up jumper. Good. 10 seconds. 5. Start of the second quarter, Lashu. Lashu driving the lane, make it roll short. Blocked by Salva.
Good naman yung
15 to shoot.
Yan, dili kabot ba niya? Maribound yapon nimo. Good na siya.
Muna kay i-attempt
Mo gani.
Okay na.
Good na ron. Dili na nakuhan.
2. 10 to shoot. Driving lane by Chu. Good. 4-2. 20-13. In favor of Team Natal. Richie. Richie pasa. Turnover. Pasa kay Marsado. Nice pass by Marsado.
Liga na sa doon.
Ah, nablikan.
2 points by Tabligan. Alias Chocoloco. Richie, hesitation move, oh. Salva, wala di pa. Wala na, may day na to.
Awa nakuhan ko siya no.
Wala na, wala kuhaan.
Kinatabunan din.
Tabunan sa ulong bonbon.
Pasa kay Marsado. Marsado, drive the lead. No good. Offensive rebound by Lasio. Lasio, power move. Foul by Marsado for 3. Wala. Rebound, offensive rebound by Atulap. Uy.
Grabe ang goal rap po.
Grabe ang Atulap. Uy. Hindi na kinahanglan mo ang back. Salva. The drive hook. Foul by
Goal rap.
number 6. Uncle Rock, second personal foul. First throw, no good.
Pero lagi din sendula lagi. Sendula to.
Lagi si Kesi yung biyahe.
Second throw by Salva, no good. Another rebound for Uncle Rock. 5 rebounds now for Uncle Rock. Pinanlan mo
Grabe ang
yan.
goal rap po.
Oops, turnover. Reggie pasa. Nasakit pa.
HD sana. Kalipa? Gagmay bitong ka na.
3 points by Brian. No good. Rebound by Lasio. Masado. Dribbling ball. Masado. Whoop. Whoop. That's turnover na dyan. Reggie. Atak kay Dimdim. Dimdim. Atak kay Reggie. Pasa kay Brian. Brian. Galing violation by Brian. Chu. Nice screen by Lasio. Whoop. 50 to shoot. Marsado. Dribble jump ball. Nice defense by Brian. Dimdim. Hatag kay Reggie. Pitsahan ni Marsado. 10 to shoot. Dimdim. Whoop. Na turnover. Steal by Marsado. Shopping. Suson, hatag kay Reggie. Reggie, open shot for 3. No good. Another rebound by Lasio. Hatag kay Marsado. Marsado, balik kay Chu. Fake shot. 59. First throw good by Chu. Second throw short, rebound by Sunny. Exactly 6 minutes remaining. Richie, what a time! And one by Richie.
Hoy, kadua ang highlights. Pwede na lingkod.
First personal foul, Tabigan. 13 foul, Team Metal. Bonus throw para kay Richie. Reggie.
18:57 good.
Under 6 minutes. Marsado. Ni Uncle Rock. Willing to jump. Rebound by Reggie. Reggie gadali. Side step. Hatag kay Dimdim. Dimdim. Hatag kay Brian. What a defense. Reggie. Passing board. Good. Ay, wala.
Wala, gawas o. Gawas mo na yan. Ano naman siya ito?
Lasio, laro, foul. Marsado, hatag kay Chu, jumper, no good. Rebound by Uncle Rock. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. With the ball. Agad. Take shot. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by Luke. Oh, wala dahil. Rebound by Christian. Foul. Committed by number 18,
Malas mo.
Joshua Dangoy.
Magad.
13 foul para sa Team Metal. First throw by Christian. No good. Second throw ni Hangyok. Score 19-27.
29 naman, Dre. 29 na. Asat ni...
Sorry. Pulo Labaw, 19-29 in favor of Team Metal. Hinay, fake shot, time to shoot. Cañete with the drive. Nice drive by Cañete. Darwin. Last two.
Balik na, Ben. Balik. Nay, mo na.
Hinay driving the lane. Oop. Turnover. Atag. Kay Tito Darwin. Oops. I-break. Ibalik. Nice pass.
Bam, okay pa.
Wala. Penalty Team Metal. Second personal foul, Dagoy. Sansoles, free throw line, wala.
man kayo mga boy ng Riga. Di ako.
Second throw. That's one. Australia for three. 4-3. Score 22-34. Lucy ang labaw sa team na to. Nice pass. Pagka-nice sa
Harap,
team.
idol, oh! Kasatrak yun!
3 minutes 30 seconds. Gina, dribbling the ball. Oh, turnover. Ang Pograwin, nagdadali.
Ay, lingi pa, oh!
Wow, committed by turnover. Oh, nabawi ra ang boy. Anyway, wala. Rebound. Defensive rebound by Buenas. Completed the turnover. Salazar, galisod ang punto sa bola. Oh. Nabawi sa team na tao. Ang boy. Pro half. Bawal na yan. Turnover. Rico dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Vilmar. Vilmar, the drive.
Wow!
In a short. Rebound by Maginay. Pasa kay Caliente. Caliente. Team plus one. Okay. Kanina. Team 1 plus 1.
Ha?
Ang kong
Darwin for three. Short. Up. It's a rebound. Time out. Team 5. Two free throws to Rico. Game 1.
Wala. Mama, kasatrak ko, ha? Penalty na, penalty!
Penalty na. Last throw para kay Rico.
May lukso.
Oh, lane violation. Committed.
Ha?
Plus 6 pag yun. Ay, plus 3.
Nice pass. Kailangan wala lang shot. Save. Inbound play. Pasa ka mahinay. For three. No good. Wow!
Grabe ang kularo nito!
Yay! Pag-ID na yan.
Grabe ang gawas kapon to. Ayun, malas yun.
Grabe,
Pagka-nice sa bukid.
Grabe ang kularo win.
Ilalong kay Duenas. No good. It's a rebound. Adin. Foul. Committed.
Wala din eh.
Gabay.
Oh.
First throw. Short.
Siya mo?
Huwag kayo. 36, ay 36, 28.
Ito kalibang ko, yan, nagsilupin ba? Umay, naman.
Mura giro.
Oh, gano'n ba?
Pagbukas pa rin, tabo naman sa
Oh, tama yun.
Imo rin lubot ipakita.
Oh.
Tawag na yung ball, haligi yung
Drive, wala. Rebound by Buenas. Atag kay Maginay. Seconds to play. Maginay. Hinahinay lang.
Naglupor ba na diya? No,
Kanya, fake. Nice pass kay Caliente. Not all over lang doon.
Bago kay King mo.
Ako sa ito, best ko rin sa nanik ko, ano?
35 seconds.
Ken, sorry sa Ken, malibang mo ka dyan. Muli.
Vilmar for three. Na short. Rebound by Magan. No good. Danggoy, 20 seconds. Wala sila kabantay, fail by Magad, no good, foul by Buenas. 20 seconds remaining. First throw by Magad, no good.
Malas ka dyan, Col.
Ano, free throw nila sa alas.
Dagang ka. Oh, bakit
Second
ka?
throw para kay Puknoy.
Ayaw na, magpayo.
Noy, good. 20 seconds remaining.
Patay.
Outage sa Picas Forte. Start of third quarter. Dinay, pasa kay Chu. Chu. Gina, tend to shoot. No good. Rebound by Rico. Reggie Boy, nihonong sa tres.
Patay.
Banap. 37-32, 5 points lang ang biya sa team na to. Sa ilalong. Kabligan, Madinay. Turnover steal by Rico. Rico, nag-lisod yun. 50 to shoot. Lascio, 2 points. Assist by Chu. Reggie, fake shot. Castellano. No, foul committed by Lascio.
Kamera. Tora. Kaset na, kaset na.
33-39.
Siya tag Petro.
Tulong na lang. Sila throw by Buknoy.
Pite.
Good. Two. For three.
Patay.
Suwak. Kuha na lang ang labaw sa team na to. Lascio, nice drive. Lascio. Maaga, second personal foul. Bonus throw para kay Lascio. Lascio, wala. Rebound by Maaga. 8 minutes remaining sa third quarter.
Hirap.
Reggie. Isang tres. Na short. Rebound by Danggoy. Atag kay Chu. Chu drive the lane. Ay, pagkanay sa pasal. Oh, wala lang na kumplito. Rebound by Salva. Atag kay Buknoy. Buknoy.
Angkol.
Fitness mo. Wala.
Yan na, oy. Malasang angkol, oy.
Chu, pagkanay sa pasa. Danggoy. Wala yan po. Offensive rebound by Lascio. Gidaro. Lascio for two. Dead to shoot. Nice pass. Uy, gihatak ba?
Boom.
Nice move
Mali
by
po.
Jed Salva.
Wala pa isang. Meron, makol.
Talipon.
Kamera, kamera.
Patang dia. Book. Almost sa turnover. Dead to shoot. Chu, pulang jumper. No good. Wag ka na sa touch pass. No good. Time out. Substitution. Suga mo na. Dami na. Nabawi. Darwin, pulang jumper. No good. Rebound ba? Uy, napasa kay Rico.
Wala, dito ka. Gabi.
Duha, balik sa duha ang biya.
Apit na yan siya. Nagpalit na. Apit na din ako. Parte. Paliga. Siguro mapil mo sunod.
Chu, dribbling the ball. Take to shoot. Grabe ng violation. Pwede mo tie, pwede mo labaw sa pinagi sa press. Tanaw na to. Pull up jumper by Rico.
Oy, normal.
Ako nang igagaw.
Wahaw na, wahaw. Wala rin yung Sila man rap-rap.
Time ball game, 43.
Pinball ninyo na eh.
Uncle Rock for 3, no good. Receive rebound. 14 game, ginawa.
Hindi, sila mo ko i-priority.
Na-rebound na ako Darwin. Nakawi. Good.
Guna, guna,
May
guna.
tawag, kaya sa nila, may tawag. 2 for Uncle Rock.
Patay.
Short. Time out in Meta. Rico setting the play. Pagka na sa pass.
Wow.
Salva. Lakaw na ang Team Fire. What a run by Team Fire sa third quarter. 2, dribbling the ball. Pasa sa ilalong. That's show. 10 to shoot. 2 for 3. Bangag. Labaw balik ang Team Meta. Darwin dribbling the ball. Darwin hatag kay Rico. Rico pagkalay sa pasa.
Wow, foul. Yamera?
Substitution.
Hindi, si...
Okay, sorry.
Dua shot ng dua.
Rebound by no good. Offensive rebound.
Balik, score, Ken. Ken. Finish ko. Kita percaya.
Lord, wala na. Tends to shoot. Maulay by Buknoy. Rebound by Lasio. Steal by Darwin. Darwin. Itakapsahan. Pasa kay Rico. Wala pass. Buknoy. Peter. Wala. Offensive rebound by Rico.
Magyapon.
Short. Offensive rebound by Salva. Salva.
Wow.
Pagkanay sa Kirano.
Listen mo.
Wala.
Damay ni Ben. Pitbull palihog.
3:42 time.
3:40 remaining sa third quarter. 2, dribbling the ball. Hey, jumper by Masado, rebound by Salva. Salva, hatag kay Darwin.
Uncle Dark, dito!
Oh,
Yan, oy.
almost a turnover. Buknoy, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by Tangoy.
Malas si Juan, Uncle Buknoy.
Almost. Time out. Inay for 3, no good. Rebound, offensive rebound. Tangoy. 2 for 3, no good. Another offensive rebound by Tangoy. Pasa kay Lasio. Easy 2 para kay Lasio. $50 to shoot. Reggie for 3.
Ah, oy.
Foul by 2.
Ilan pa na? Dua, isa.
3 free throws para kay Reggie.
Dua pa? Isa. Isa pa.
First personal foul, ever 2. 13 foul para sa Team Meta. First throw ni Reggie. Swak. Second throw.
Swak yapon.
Another swak. Last throw. Prepare for rebound.
Dapat na yun.
Oop! Sikiyat si Rich Boy. Wala giboarding. 2. Pasa kay Darwin, pasa kay Christian. 10 to shoot. Rico, pull-up jumper by Maagad.
Ah, set na.
Duha na lang biya. Balik sa duha ang biya. Two minutes remaining sa third quarter. For 3, rebound by Darwin. Pwede mo igualis, pwede mo lang.
Wow!
Para, pass!
Counted. Yagaw tayo.
Nalawag. Penalty, team fire. Team metal. Good. Basket count para kay
Nyarag masyat ni.
Rico.
Nyarag masyat ni. Sabla yun.
Last throw para kay Rico. 4 time.
Sablo.
Walis na po.
Receive mo sa
Langgoy. 10 to shoot. No good. Foul sa ilalong.
Christian.
Third personal foul sa Solis. Darwin para labaw.
Wow!
Rebound by Caliente. Attack kay Marzano. Foul by Brian.
Serve, lingkod. Nyarag masyat ni. Nyarag masyat. Baka kuha ni.
Last throw, good. 15 seconds sa third quarter. 2-point lead para sa team. 116. Dem, dribbling the ball. Pagkayang ni Caliente.
Wow!
Turnover. Tila niya. Sado. It's seconds to play. Reggie. Foul. Stop.
Play, wala.
50 seconds.
50 seconds.
50 seconds remaining.
50 seconds.
Oh. Lane violation by Reggie. Tulo ang niya. Sado, dribbling the ball. Oh. Good. 40 seconds. Reggie, dribbling the ball. Reggie. Pump fake. No good. Rebound by Dangroy. 30 seconds. Marzano, pasa kay Duenas. Twenty seconds. Ten seconds. Duenas rebound. 5. 54-61. Reggie, hesitation move. Pasa kay Salva. Darwin, nice pass to Bukboy. Wow. Save ball. 12 to shoot. Take Marzano, pull-up jumper, rebound by Salva. Rico, pasa kay na turnover. Caliente, dribbling the ball. Caliente, ilusok na. No good. Rebound by Darwin. Rico. Nice pass sa ilalong kay Bukboy. Tulo na lang biya sa team Natal. Anggoy, dribbling the ball. Anggoy. Pasa kay Cañete. Balik kay Magina for 3. no good. Rebound, another rebound by Salva. Oh, na-turnover. Still ni Maghinay, pero na-turnover. Oh, save ball. 16 to shoot. Tanggoy, oy. 10 to shoot. Turnover. Richie. Open layup para kay Richie. Time out. Inyong ultra si Sanayaga. Kalit. Ano ba? Amneston ba?
Gap na sa gap. Nano? Why do I nagkalang ko bro?
Wala. Foul by Stefan.
Grabe, Reggie.
Richie.
Wow.
No good. Uy, mga teammate pa din ako sa una. Nagdula.
Repol.
Foul by foul number 12, Lasio. Third personal foul, Lasio. Bonus throw para kay Salva.
Dili, triple.
Para Guales. No good. Final throw para kay Salva. Taibong Bill. Pagkanay sa dula. Uy. Seven minutes remaining. Oh, balik mo yun. Pag-day, another light day. Labaw balik ang Team Metal. Take the shoot. Oh, turnover. Taplikan. Uy, nabawi. Same ball. Bola sa Team Metal. Langgoy for three. 66-61.
Serve time out silang kon.
Exactly 6 minutes remaining. A turnover. Marsano, basket count. Fifteen to shoot. Darwin for three. Rebound by Lasio.
Lawas pa guro.
Boy, gawin the ball. Tangoy, hatag kay Marsano. Foul by Rico. Marsano for Petro. Wala. Coach, palit ko out. Coach. Last throw para kay Marsano.
Nani mo ang kimoy.
Counted.
Boys. Mulo mo thank you. Out. Ay, gamit mo nito.
Richie. Get to shoot. Darwin. Pasa kay Reggie. Reggie for three.
Ay, yun.
Time out.
Karami kayo.
Exactly 5 minutes remaining sa fourth quarter. Wow, what a pass! Extra pa, time to shoot. Five. Shot clock by 69-64 in favor of Team Metal. Reggie.
Wala.
Mira ng stress.
Naglagabala pa.
Tangoy. Drive. Ooh. Seventy-one, 64.
Oy, na-play yung kamay.
To
Oy,
shoot.
na-play yung kamay. Kaya kita ang lamisa.
Darwin for three. Short. Rebound by Langoy. Exactly 4 minutes remaining sa Dula. Lascio driving the lane. And one by Lascio. Rico, third personal foul.
3 minutes. 3
Time
minutes.
remaining 3:59. Bonus throw para kay Lascio.
Oh, kung bagong gamay kayo. Nice, nice, nice.
Basket count. Double digit lead na ang biya sa Team Metal. 15 to shoot. Reggie, foul by. Third personal foul, Maglinay. Warning for penalty, Team Metal. Rico, pull-up jumper. Wala, rebound kay Lascio. Uy, na-steal. Atag kay Rico. And one. No good.
Retro gyapon.
Last throw para kay Maagad.
Ang import, oy, abot na. Abot na ang import.
Counted.
4-4. Ano, pero puro.
Shoot, dribbling of 50 to shoot. Better play by Darwin. Reggie for three. Busog tayo. Offensive rebound by Sanpa. And one play by Sanpa. Power. Tabligan number. Oh, second personal foul.
Bisay pa wala to?
Basket count. 74-71. Solo Rabia. Boom! Foul by 10 to shoot. Langoy for three. No good. Rebound by Rico.
Sige, oh, Reggie, oh.
Reggie. Tumira ng Paraguanes. Wala. Marsado. Dribbling the ball. Ten to shoot. Chu dribbling the ball. Pull-up jumper by Chu. No good. Offensive rebound. Ten to shoot. Marsado for three. No good. Rebound by Lascio. Offensive rebound by Lascio. Foul committed by number. No good. Last throw para kay Lascio.
Nice, nice, nice!
1 minute 50 seconds. Maagad, pasa kay Rico. Rico, no good. Buang bola. Richie, bakante for 3. No good. Oh. Rebound line. Out of bounds by Maaga. Exactly 1 minute 30 seconds. Langoy. Idaro Nilasio, still. Rico, pasa kay Darwin.
Wow!
Basket count.
Cancel tayo, cancel ay tama ta. Wala, cancel lang.
2 points. 2-point lead para sa Team Metal. Pasa kay Gonzalo. Penalty na habok, teams.
Your lang!
Bonus throw para kay Marsado.
Nice!
Time out. Rico for 3. Power good. 76. 76-78. One shot na lang. Seconds to play. Marsado. 15 to shoot. 10. Drop pass. 30 seconds. Darwin driving the lane.
Wow!
Nice move ni Darwin.
Nakabiyang tolo! Trap!
20 seconds. Foul committed by Hamilton.
RG.
15.
Atang Rizzi! Rico!
10.
Nakabuhat yun.
Maaga
Ayaw,
for
cool.
3. Good.